Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, before directly diving into the video, I would like you all to introduce myself first. Ki you got the reason why I want you all to listen me. So those who don't know me, I am Kushi. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in business administration and management from DTU, and I am currently in my third year, and you could say my final year because BBA in DTU is for a third year. Fourth year is for those who want to get a specialization or an honors. I don't want that. Okay, in this video I have shared 10 most important things that every college student need to know before getting into the college. Okay, or you could say it's a survival kit for you all, so that you guys must know कि तुम्हें कहाँ efforts अपने put करने हैं और कहाँ पे नहीं करने हैं. So let's start with the very first important point. First is be happy for wherever you are. I know that point sounds so dramatic, but this line already in itself is very empowering. For example, if you have already made into your dream university, then kudos to you, and if not, then again it's not a big problem. I know it's kind of something ki you guys would feel ki I haven't made into my dream university because I might have not the capabilities, not that potential, but trust me guys, competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. That means कि not everyone would get into the college, but it means that कि God have a very different or a better plan for you all. So yes, okay, so now second point, again it's like it's okay to be confused at first, which means थ्रू दिस पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू से कि जब हम कॉलेज में जाते हैं ना, कॉलेज इज़ लाइक वेरी न्यू, वेरी बिग, एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. नाउ वी हैव कम्प्लीटली कम आउट फ्रॉम आवर सेफर जोन, जो कि एक स्कूल था. वहाँ पे हमारे पास एक पर्सनल एक स्फेयर था जिसके अंदर हम लोग एग्जिस्ट करते थे, एंड वी हैव अ टीचर्स, वी हैव अ पेरेंट्स जो कि हमारे ऊपर लुको हो गए. जब हम कॉलेज में आ जाते हैं ना, तो पीपल थिंक कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेच्योर हो गए हैं या फिर थोड़ा बहुत मेच्योर हो गए. ना वी कैन ईजिली टेक आउट द स्टैंड्स एंड टॉक अबाउट द थिंग्स और टेक द डिसीजन बाय आवर ओन. सो इनिशियल क्या होता है ना कि आई रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ माई कॉलेज, वॉट हैपेंड विद मी वॉज कि I was looking for a room, and you know what, I was not able to understand even my timetable. I was looking for a subject code. Can you believe this? Like it was written 302, something like that. I was looking for 302, but there was no room of 302. So yes, this is how the college life would feel so confusing at initially, but this happens with everyone. I was not the one who was just looking for a room by looking at a subject code. There was many more students out there who were doing the same thing. So it's normal कि आप जो है initially college life बहुत confusing होगी, क्योंकि for example classes change होती हैं कि आपकी जो classes होंगी वो एक जगह ना होके आपको different classes different floors पे जाके different blocks में जाके होंगी. So yes, this all is going to be a completely new experience for you all. So इसलिए घबराना नहीं है, you will get into the rhythm with a period of a time. Third is grades matter, so do the experiences, which means I would say मैंने ये बहुत सारे अपने फ्रेंड से सुना है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा कोई सीनियर के कॉन्टेक्ट में नहीं हूँ. इवन स्टिल आई एम नॉट, बिकॉज prefer to learn the things from the experiences by खुद try करके खुद सीखना. Seniors for me is like कि I feel if the person is himself or herself is not in a place to tell me what is right and wrong, how am I expecting them to guide me throughout my college life? I can't depend on them. So yes, मैंने अपने बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को देखा है कि दे से कि जो सीनियर्स है वो कह रहे हैं इतना मत पढ़ो, लाइक इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़ एंड ग्रेड्स डोंट मैटर इन दैट. बट आई हैव पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस. मैंने 3 इंटर्नशिप करी हैं, एंड हमारे कॉलेज में जो है इंटर्नशिप फेयर्स भी होते हैं और प्लेसमेंट फेयर्स भी होते हैं. तो जिसमें ना यू विल सी कि ग्रेड्स मैटर्स द मोस्ट, मीन्स कि दे विल चूज और दे विल अलाउ ओनली दोज स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी CGPA लाइक सम क्राइटेरिया 7 और 8 के ऊपर होगी. CGPA बेसिकली इसके अबव होगी, देन दोज स्टूडेंट्स विल ओनली अलाउ टू सिट इन द इंटर्नशिप या फिर प्लेसमेंट फेयर. सो येस, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस, एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर दिस. CGPA also matters for your career growth as well. If you guys have a better CGPA, that means कि it is something sort of a proof for the any kind of a third person, those who are looking to hire you या फिर to work with you, कि you during your college time had genuinely put in a lots of efforts in order to means you have genuinely did a hard work. That's all what I mean. So yes, ऐसा मत सोचना कि grades don't matter. You need to study really hard for what you want to to make your basically to make your future better. And along with that, I would say focus on your academic journey, but also the experiences matter. क्योंकि college life with a period of time pass हो जाएगी, but you need to take a part in fest, the clubs होते हैं, clubs join करो if you are interested. If you won't, then just don't go for it. आई नो कि बहुत सारे पीपल इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाएंगे अपने फ्रेंड से एंड दे विल जॉइन, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर आपको लगता है कि दैट क्लब इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू समथिंग जो कि आपके फ्यूचर में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, और या फिर आपने कभी भी एस्पायर किया होगी दैट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू जॉइन ये क्लब वो क्लब, सो यू कैन जॉइन इट. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट लो, वेदर यू विन और लॉस. कभी मतलब कभी भी हम लोग हारते नहीं हैं. वी ऑलवेज लर्न फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंसेस, सो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होता है एट द एंड. क्विजेस में पार्ट्स लो. सो येस, ऑल आई वुड से दैट दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस, दीज memories would stay alive for a long time, and यही वो चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपको make you feel more younger and give you the reason that why you should live and why you should. The next and the most important point, make friends wisely and need to keep in mind कि आप कैसे लोगों के बीच में, कैसे लोगों के सराउंडिंग में हैं, क्योंकि हम जैसे लोगों के बीच में रहते हैं we become like them. You need to be surround yourself with the positive people and बहुत ही careful होना होगा आपको because you're going to meet so many. The next point is that you need to make a friends. Don't constrain yourself just to a particular field, or you could say कि I am introvert, I won't make friends in college, but this is like a bullshit. You would need a friend in a college, and but I won't say in order to find a friends you would become a part of that group or bunch of people that where you are not feeling yourself or where they are making you feel that you are not enough. So that's really important factor in your, that would help you in your all over college journey. That is key. You are surrounding yourself with the people having a positive mindset or those who are encouraging you instead of discouraging you. ठीक है. So look always for a genuine friendship, but not just to fit in a groups. That's really important. They are not all going to be your friends. You need to find the genuine one only, those who really matters to you and those who really cares for you. So now next point is don't compare your journey with others. It means again I would say the same line. Things are going to be different now. College में you are going to meet a lots of different people, have their different motives. Few people will really work hard so that they could made into their dream companies. Those who want to pursue their corporate life or having a successful future. Somewhere some people have a different mindset. They have already started doing their own things in the college itself. Those who are have their mindset to start the startup or doing something of their own. Or you will also meet a person those who are interested in nothing. Next type of person you will meet, those who are always who just want to those who just want to run their family's business or take their family business moving more forward. So yes, you don't need to compare your journey with others. Everyone have their own journey, and it's completely on you how you are going to write it and whether you are going to make it beautiful or making worst. Now next point is you need to explore, learn and participate and say yes to a new things, and you have that mindset that you are always ready to learn the new things. So college life is not going to be the same as you have school life. For example, school life में you have your notebooks, you have your covers, you have your teachers, you have a friends, you have a personal classroom for each class, and you have a timetable, you have periods that you need to follow in order to complete your whole school journey. But now since you are in college, you are going to expose to a different environments. You need to make assignments. If you don't have laptops and if you are very bad in technological stuff, then it means that things are bit going to hard for you, but it does not mean ki you are not going to learn them. I remember when I was in school, I know how to operate the laptops and stuff, but there were so many things that was very new to me, but I never considered myself that I won't able to learn this, and finally I am doing everything that in earlier period or earlier stages of my college life I was struggling with, but now I am very good at it. So it's always, I would say, you must have that spirit in yourself ki no matter what would happen, no matter whether you know or whether you won't, you have that mindset ki no matter what I would learn that stuff and would excel in that particular field. Okay, so next point is you are allowed to change. That means, so I don't want you guys to be the same version of yourself. Those who have joined the college, those who have just passed their schools, I want you to rediscover yourself. I want you all to improve yourself on the daily basis, and it's really important. And there is no one going to stop you to change yourself. And even most of the time it happens कि college life में many students came across their passion, came across what they really likes, came across whether they are doing is really making them happy or not. So it's really important, and I would say there no one is going to stop you from doing anything. If you want a change in yourself, you need to take a step and you are allowed to change. That's what the whole point is. Just grow, evolve and rediscover yourself. This is your time and this is your college life. So now next, again, the most important step is you may need to take care of both your mental as well as the physical health. When you will enter to a college life now, it is very going to different. For example, in a school life we have a set lunch breaks ki इस time से इस time तक we are going to have our lunch, but in college it's going to be a disastrous journey for you all, because I'm saying this all from my personal experience ki you won't have any sort of fixed lunch breaks. Instead you would have a minute break, but मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम लोग अपने फिजिकल एज वेल अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को ध्यान नहीं देते हैं व्हेन वी यूज टू एंटर इनटू द कॉलेज. फॉर एग्जांपल, हमारी अर्ली क्लासेस होती हैं एंड इफ वी आर लिविंग वेरी फार फ्रॉम आवर कॉलेजेस, वी नीड टू टेक अवर मेट्रो वेरी अर्ली सो दैट वी कुड रीच द क्लासेस ऑन टाइम. सो इसके वजह से मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी tend to skip our breakfast, we don't pack our lunch with us, and so what happened, we used to buy the stuff from the canteen, which again is not good for your health and damage your physical health totally. And also, since I would say कि आप उस अपने सेफर जोन से या सेफर स्पेस से बाहर आ चुके हैं, for that was your school life, college life is generally going to be hectic. Whether you are taking it positively or negatively, it's really going to be pretty hectic. So yes, आपके मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ने वाला है, आई वुड से. सो इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन योर मेंटल पीस, यू शुड हैव दैट वन पर्सन whom you can share everything and anything. Just don't keep the things in your mind, because when you keep the things in your mind, it used to create a ripple effect. It means it would get increased with the time and won't just having that particular thing, but that seed would become a tree and you won't even realize that. So it's really important that you are taking care both of your physical and mental health. Now the next point is that document your journey. It means that since you have the memories from your school life and now you are in your college, it means that you are going to go through with the different experiences. Either it could be a good or either it could be a bad for you, but good one will give you the reason that you should motivate you basically, and bad one will teach you something that would help you in कि from the next time those mistakes you are not going to make it again. It would help you in improving yourself. So yes, it's really important that you have to record your college journey, because when you will look back, you will thank yourself for keeping those memory alive, and in that state too you would see कि कितना ज़्यादा hard work you have already put it in and so much efforts you did in order to be the place that you were always dreamt for. Okay, the last but not the least and the most important thing, that never ever think that you are less than anyone. That means you are more than enough. And college life, when most of the time it happens that you easily got influenced with the lots of people, because they have that kind of aura that they would make you feel that you are not capable of anything. You have no potential, you don't have potential, you don't have capabilities to do the stuff. But and most of the time it happens कि आप influence भी हो जाएंगे and you would think कि yes, I'm not anymore, I don't have capabilities, I don't have potential. But this is not true. It's completely on you, it's completely your mind that would help you to make yourself more confidence throughout your journey. You don't need to prove things to anyone, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. You are worthy, you are capable, and you have a potential. You just need some time to realize them, and you just don't need to influence कि कोई क्या कहता है. It's completely on you and your mind and your heart, so always follow it. And अपने जो आउटर वर्ल्ड है उससे कभी भी इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दैट्स व्हाट्स आई मीन कि ऑलवेज फॉलो योर हार्ट एंड फॉलो योर follow your mind. Just don't get influenced with anyone, and this is just a beginning of a beautiful journey, and it's completely on you. It's completely your pen, your notebook, and it's on you how you are going to write it. So okay, so this was it for the whole video, and at the end, all I would say, as someone who is in its third year, I have had my own ups and downs. There was a moment when I was completely broke down just because of few things that happened. This was like, for me, it was all an experience. There was so many up moments in my life where I become more confident, and I feel so good to be true to yourself and to true to myself, that I was so confident enough. There were a moment that have always helped me to increase my confidence, but I would not trade this journey for anything. So to all the freshers, welcome to a new chapter. Make it count. Thank you so much for watching it. This was it from my end. Bye bye.